Hi guys, it's GazillionTricks. I've not recorded a video on this channel in 4 years. It's crazy. And last time I was using a Logitech webcam from like 2007, but that's not beyond the point. So I have my deck of cards here. This is brand new, so bear with me if things are sliding around. But for the trick performance, you're going to be across from me. Jesus Christ, I can't even get the box. I can't even get the deck out of the box. Alright. So you guys are going to be across from me here. And for the tutorial, you guys are going to be in front of me, and you're going to see everything, okay? So for this trick, I could give the deck a couple of cuts. So, yeah, just like this. If you want this deck, it's in the description. It will help a charity, actually. But anyway, if I was performing right now, if you're my spectator, I don't have a spectator. But let's say I would ask them, or you, to pick a pair of cards out, such as the red queens, such as the black aces, you know, a pair. Now let's say for the sake of the video they do choose the red queens, just because I think that's the most iconic things that people would choose. Put them off to the side over here. Okay? So, now, next step is I would ask my spectator to touch a card but not look at it. So let's say they would touch this. It's a completely free choice. Like, it does not matter what card they chose. And I'm going to put it underneath here, the deck box. We're not going to look at this card yet. And we have our helper cards over here, okay? So I'm going to give the deck a couple cuts, just like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a spot for the first queen, and it's going to go in there face up near the top of the deck, and then another one near the bottom of the deck, okay? So now the two queens are in there face up. What they're going to try to do here is they're going to try to find the pair or the match to this card down here, okay? They're going to try to find the match. It sounds crazy, I know, but it's going to happen, okay? So you ready? I'm going to deal out 2 piles, and you will see the queens will choose 1 pile for the start. Now, I'm not going to speed up the process here. In the tutorial, I might speed up some of the dealing processes. But here, you're going to actually experience the trick one-on-one, like how a spectator would. As you can see, the queens were not in here. I moved the box, I know, but there you go. The queens were not in this pile. I'm just going to move them to the side, over here. This pile is no longer needed. I'm going to pick up the pile with the queens, just like this. As you can see, the queens are still in the pile. They're trying to narrow down the search to your card. Or the pair that they chose, I guess you could say. Doesn't matter. So, as you can see here, this part does not have the queens in it. The queens are indeed over here. Now we're going to do it one more time. There might be one more after. I'm slow. But here you go. Okay, yep, one more time. And the queens should find your card. As you can see here, we're not going to look at that card first. We are actually going to take the card that is underneath the deck box right here, and we're going to flip it up. Now, I'm going to look at this to myself, just over here. And as you can see, the card is the 6 of spades. They have made the match of the cards. So, if you want to know how this was done, make sure to stick around to the tutorial. Alright, so this is one of my favorite tricks ever, because it does require a setup. It's pretty easy setup. It does take a minute if you want to do this to multiple people at the same, like at different times, but like within a time period, it will take like 2 decks maybe set up already, because it will take quite a bit to set up. So what you gotta do is you're going to go through and you're going to take, see, there's the king of clubs, you're going to go find the match, so the king of spades, and you're going to make a separate pile. This is the way I do it. I take the top card and then I find the match. Take the whoa, take the top card, find the match, you know, kind of thing. So I'm going to speed this process up. Doesn't matter which piles they go in as long as they're separate from each other.
So this part will be time lapse in 3, 2, 1, card.
And then like this sometimes, I know I stopped the time lapse, You might have to square up the piles so they don't get too out of order. Just when you're setting it up, don't worry about it. If I do that more than once, it's because, yeah, I'm squaring up the piles. Alright, so as you can see, I'm just doing a final square up. They're all here. I'm gonna, move this over here, square it on up. Move this one over here, square it on up, just like this. Now you want to take the pile on your right, and you are going to want to put it on, like, face up over here. Take the deck with all the cards and flip it over, just like this, okay? Now once you have this, you can do as many cuts. So here you can do as many cuts as you may want. My deck is so slippery, I feel like everything's going to come out of the setup. I'm going to have to do it again. But here you go. So I'm only going to do 2 because I don't want to mess this up. So, there you go. Once the cuts, whoa, my god, a deck. Okay, once the cuts are done, you're going to basically say pick a pair. Once again, like I did in the tutorial, I am going to use the red queens, okay? So you're not going to do, there's no sleight of hand here, nothing to do right now. There are a couple, they're not really sleight of hand moves that you're going to be doing during this trick, but there are some things that you are going to need to keep in mind. So with the queens over here, I'm going to leave them over there. They are the helper cards you're going to explain, okay? So now you're going to go through and ask them to touch a card. Now let's say they touch this card. You're going to want to take this out, and you see this clump that was on top? You're going to put that on the bottom of the deck, okay? So now that's on the bottom. You want to set this down. You're going to want to grab the card box, and you're going to want to set it on top of that card so no one can see it. You don't even want to see it. So that's the worst part of this trick, is you don't even know if you're doing it right the whole time till you end it. So, yep, I'm going to put this over here with the card box on top of it. I'm going to leave it like that so you can see that the card is still under it. Over here are the helper cards. Here's what you're going to do for these. You might have seen me a little bit of counting. These you're going to want to count in packets of 3 down to 9, okay? 3, 6, 9. Now in that 10th position right here, you're going to want to take one of the cards and put the 9 cards back on top. Now for the bottom, it's the same thing. 3, 6, 9. Now you're going to want to take this card, and you're going to want to put it in the 10th position on the bottom. Now you are all set up. Okay? Now you're going to do this, deal the 2 piles. I'm going to speed it up for you. Alright, so that pile's done. You're going to pick up the pile without the queens. You can say there were no queens. Your helper cards weren't in this pile. They don't have to pick the queens, keep that in mind. So you could say, okay, the helper cards were not in this, and you can set it to the side. Okay, now here you go. You have the rest of the cards that are left. You're going to do the same thing. I'm going to speed it up again. Alright, once again, you can show that the queens weren't in this pile. You can take them and set them right on top of the rest. You won't be needing those cards once again. Now for these, you're going to straighten them up, and you are going to take them and say, the queens are still in here trying to find your card. Okay, now you're going to do the same thing and do this again. Now I don't have to speed these ones up because there's barely any cards left. They don't take all that long. Take the cards that don't have the queens in them and set them off to the side. Take the cards that do have the queens in them and start dealing them one final time. And as you can see, they captured it right there. Now we're going to take a look at, see if I can pick it up, what card was underneath there. It was the Ace of Clubs. Now, as you can see, the card that the queens captured was the Ace of Spades. If you did every move right that I explained, this should work 100% of the time for you guys. That's it for this video. If you enjoy it and you want to see more card tricks like this one or other complete card tricks, this is a beginner trick. I consider it a beginner trick. If you want to see some intermediate or advanced tricks, be sure to stick around to the channel, subscribe, and hit that like button. It'll tell me you enjoyed it. So for this video, guys, peace out.